certainly empower us all, Ash. That's for sure. I've never come across a man who wants to empower normal, everyday person on the street. It is, quite frankly, amazing. You know, it's. And
I really mean it, and I hope one day you would realize it in reality. So I really mean it.
I'm sure every single founder will find that anyway.
Give me in one hand your success, and give me in any way. I mean, mentally, academically, okay, health-wise, of course, financially, your success, your prosperity. And on one side, everything in life, give it to me. I'm flipping reverse engineering. Which one do you think I will choose? Now, here's the thing. The answer is obvious. Okay. Now, here's the thing. If the same goes back or by if I give you everything, but I tackled it from the end of it, okay, or from the back. If I give you everything you want in life, automatically I'll get, and I don't know how, but it works that way. So why not put you first? Ultimately, it's going to work for you and for you and for me. If I put me first, it might work for me for a certain time, but it's unfulfilling to me. I don't know if we have more questions, but I do have.
I have one for Robin, and she texts me.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
She wants everyone to know, Ash, coming from you. Before we, I believe that she's saying it's the 3 and free, and now it is the one sale, and that product is free. Can we say it that way? Robin would like to know.
Some products. Yes. Products. Again, it's a hybrid. It's a fluid. It's a dynamic structure. And you don't want to explain it. You don't want to get it. But I'm telling you all the features of it. Okay? What do you piece of it? Paradise. Piece it up.
One thing for sure, there's not one lane to win.
Yeah, exactly. And all, roads lead to Rome. It just that there's not one way. I'm not even talking about you using our materials and our products, our tools to build your own business or talent or whatever. We're not even talking about that. That's all internal. So give that added. Okay. Get with one thing, like, okay, when one of our products is on several TV channels, and I don't mean a commercial. We have programs will be featured on TV channels as a subscription. So what do you think about the cultural aspect of it for generations to come? Now, here's the thing. Okay. It's no joke. Okay. We're talking about facts. And what if one of the products, let me just give you something not strange. Academy is forced as the primary tool and application in their educational system. And those countries are with above 100 million population. So 20, 30 million students will have ONPASSIVE Academy in their hands like in a week. But that's one transaction. So the possibilities are insane. You know, and I was talking about the 11 and all of that. Actually, that's an insult. And you should not think small with ONPASSIVE. And did you forget the events that you're going to see from, this is a major event. This is a cultural thing. Soccer, okay, talk about soccer in Brazil, okay? Talk about it in Europe, talk about Argentina, okay, the countries, this is almost like, almost like food in their life. It's essential. And if you're talking about 1 billion people will be watching this, 2 billion, 1.5 billion in a lump sum, and we are, before we're born, guys, this is insanity. I better go because the more I talk about it, it just is, it stretched my
well, you definitely over-delivered.
So is that clear to Robin? I want to make sure she understands. Yeah.
I believe she said yes. She said, thank you.
Indeed.
Ash, thanks for coming on last minute. That was fantastic.
I like throwing my new stuff in, Ash. About a month ago, I told everybody to change their phone ringers or their sound tones. When we launched the world, mine was, I changed another life. I got a new one just for our special occasion that you did yesterday. I want everyone in the next month to change their ringer to go.
Somebody muted him, or he touched it. Got to do it again, Chris.
Okay, Marty.
Your thumbs. Do it again. What's the ringtone?
I want everyone. Don't do it, Marty. My 3 people are going to be disappointed.
Do it again. I will
everyone
mute, or I will
change
disable.
Their ringer because of the big news, Ash and Mohammed, and thanks, Mohammed.
No.
And I want everyone to say their ringer is going to say, go! They score a goal in soccer. Light up your phones with that, you guys. I want to be out in the streets and I want to hear people's ringers going off, goal, how they say it in soccer. If you don't know, go watch a soccer game. You'll know what I'm talking about.
I'm watching soccer. I'm watching soccer this year, guys.
Football, not football.
Failure is not an
football.
Okay, football.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate the invitation, and I hope I was able to clarify a couple of the minor things. But don't worry about it. Okay, we got your back. Okay, if you have a will, ONPASSIVE is not the way; it's the only way. I know.
God, thank you very much.
One more thing Ash said yesterday, very important. I'm going to put it out there again. I actually talked about it, Marty, for a couple seconds. You said a lot of important things, but you said, guys, be patient with me. Stay calm. I want to reiterate that to all of you again, because understand what this man has been doing. So, like I said, give him a break. Let him do what he's got to do, because he hasn't failed us yet. That's all I got, Ash. Thank you and happy birthday.
Yeah, Chris, look it up this way. If I walked into the room or to the crowd and I said, listen,